Something is moving across the seas, quietly without any headline. But now the world is starting to take a notice. Reports have emerged of China's shipment heading towards Iran. Not weapons, not missiles, but something just as important, a fuel behind them. Yes, can you think about this for a moment? Missiles don't just appear, they need power, they need propulsion. And that power comes from what? Rocket fuel. Now, intelligence inputs and satellite tracking, they are pointing to something unusual here. Cargo vessels that are linked to Iran, they are picking up chemical material from Chinese ports. And what kind of material? Substances like sodium perchlorate. Not a weapon on its own, but a key ingredient because this particular chemical can be used to make solid rocket fuel. The kind used in ballistic missiles, fast, powerful, and long range. Now pause here because this is where the concern begins. If large quantities of such materials they are being moved, what does that mean? Here experts say that it could be enough to support fuel for hundreds of missiles. Hundreds. Let that sink in. But wait, here's the twist. These materials are not illegal by themselves. They have civilian uses too. Industries use them. In fact, manufacturing depends on them. So the question is not just what is being shipped. The real question is, how will it be used, right? And right now, nobody has a clear answer that how it will be used because nothing has been officially confirmed. There is no direct statement, there is no final proof, just tracking data, intelligence input, and rising concern. But in a region that is already under tension, even a possibility like this, it is enough to shake the nerves. Because timings do matter, right? Missile activity is already increasing, drones are being launched, and targets are expanding. Now imagine adding more fuel to that particular system. It changes the scale, the speed, the future of this conflict. And that's why this development is being watched so closely. Is this routine trade or maybe strategic support? Is this preparation or coincidence? Because in geopolitics, nothing is ever just moment. Every shipment it tells a story, every signal carries meaning. And right now, this story is definitely still unfolding. One thing is certain that if these materials are used for missiles, the impact will not stay local. It will ripple across the region, across alliances, across global stability. So the real question is, are we looking at a supply chain or the early signs of something much bigger?